Hello everyone, it's Bernard here, back again with the hottest stuff from Apple, the Mac Mini with the M2 chip inside. So without further ado, let's see what's in the box. So first we have the regular delivery box, so it's a plain cardboard, nothing special, although it's a little large for a Mac Mini in my opinion. But let's peel it off and see the actual box. Always satisfying. And by the way guys, I will be doing a lot of testing of this Mac, comparing it to the M1 version, doing speed tests, so subscribe to not miss it, because I'll be doing a lot of work with this machine. It's the base model, by the way, so the cheapest Mac you can buy, the best deal from Apple in my opinion, like ever. So yeah, definitely worth checking out. So let's peel it open. I always enjoy when the packaging really brings you this experience, because it shows you that it's a premium product, even though it's so cheap actually. It's a little dirty from the sticker, but I hope it will clean. Yeah, it's just a little dirt. As we can see, the box itself is also quite large compared to the actual computer. Not to mention the delivery box. Like, I think it's a little weird from Apple after, removing the charging brick to make the iPhone packaging smaller and caring about the environment and cargo space, but yeah, it's just bad taste at the moment, but I don't mind it considering the price of this product. So yeah, it's sealed at the bottom, the ports are covered, so let's unwrap this baby. Oh man, this might be the most satisfying peel in the history of this channel. Just look at this beauty, and this is just the bottom of the computer, you won't even see it. Now the ports. It is always so satisfying to see, so many I/O ports on a work machine. Even the vent exhaust, it's really bringing me joy. And yeah, here's the charging connector, the Ethernet cable, 2 Thunderbolts, HDMI, even 2 USB-A and a headphone jack. I only miss, the card slot, but that's because I'm mostly video editor, so I use it quite often, but obviously I have adapters at this point, so I don't really mind it that much. Now the huge box doesn't really bring much else apart of the computer. Obviously the usual suspects, so the instruction booklet, some warranty information and sticker, obviously. And the instruction is so simple, it's actually quite fun, because it only lists you the I/O ports, where is what, yeah, and some legal papers. They could put something for Windows users to, learn their new Mac. And by the way, the sticker, it's really hard to peel off. Did they change something? Oh, they did, I believe. It's silver, we have been complaining, asking for so long to bring color matching stickers for the iPhone lineup, and here even the basic Mac Mini has a silver sticker, which I think is a really nice touch. What's not a nice touch though is the power cable, I mean, it's black, it obviously suits on the back of the computer, so I don't mind the color. It's actually quite lengthy because it's about 2 meters, so I don't mind it either. What actually bothers me is the build materials. Like, it's probably quality, but it's not braided, it's this plasticky, rubbery material, and I know that you shouldn't be unplugging the power cable on Mac Mini nearly as much as you do on your MacBooks. However, it's still quite small, so portable computer, so yeah, I wish it was braided. And yeah, the box doesn't hide anything else. There's a lot of empty space below it, so again, wasted cargo space just for the, I don't know, look of it. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. Give this video a like and see you again in the next one. Bye bye.